Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about something that will keep your little one's smile shining bright, the Firefly Sonic Replacement Brush Heads. If you've been struggling to find the perfect toothbrush head that's gentle yet effective for your child, then you're in the right place. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review like this. Let's dive right in. The Firefly Sonic Replacement Brush Heads come in a convenient pack of 3, designed specifically for kids ages 3 and up. These brush heads are made to fit perfectly with Firefly Play Action Sonic and Sonic toothbrushes, although they won't work with the Clean and Protect model, so be sure to double-check compatibility. What I really love about these brush heads is their size. They're compact, so they fit comfortably in smaller mouths, allowing for a thorough cleaning in those tricky, hard-to-reach areas. This is especially important for kids who often have trouble with the back teeth or around the gums. The bristles are soft yet efficient, crafted with premium multi-level technology. This means they're gentle on delicate gums but still get the job done, helping to remove plaque and prevent tooth decay without causing irritation. If you've ever struggled with finding a brush head that's both soft and effective, this one hits that sweet spot perfectly. Now, let's talk real-world use. I had the chance to try these with my son, and it's been a great experience. He's been using his Sonic toothbrush for a while, but this replacement set made the whole brushing routine so much smoother. The bristles are gentle, and he really seems to enjoy the process now, which, let's be honest, is a win when you're trying to teach good oral hygiene habits. However, while the brush heads are effective, I did notice that they do wear down a little quicker than some other brands. For us, it's not a huge issue as we replace them regularly, but it's worth keeping in mind if you're looking for something that's going to last you longer without replacement. Let's talk pros and cons. The pros? They're soft yet effective. The size is perfect for kids, and they encourage great brushing habits. Plus, the price point is very reasonable for a 3-pack, which is great when you're looking to stock up. The cons? As I mentioned, they may wear out a little quicker than some other options. I also wish the pack came with a more vibrant design or pattern, just to make brushing more fun for the kids. Now, value for money. For the price, these brush heads deliver excellent performance. They do what they need to do. Gently clean your child's teeth and gums, and do so without breaking the bank. So, in my opinion, they're worth every penny, especially considering how important it is to keep kids excited about brushing their teeth. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other kid-friendly brush heads out there. Some may last a bit longer, but they also tend to be priced a little higher. I feel like the Firefly brush heads strike a great balance between affordability and quality, making them a solid choice for most families. To wrap it up, if you're searching for a practical kid-sized brush head that encourages your little one to develop good brushing habits, these are a great pick. They're gentle, effective, and perfectly suited to young mouths. While the longevity could be better, they still hold up well for regular use. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried these brush heads or any other Firefly products, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.